Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Matt Lepink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Coinbase revenue. It's down 28% in the last quarter. I mean, in the third quarter compared to the second quarter. So actually, Coinbase is suffering as well in this bear market. Then we have the second news, which means that Fidelity offers retail investors commission-free Bitcoin and ETH trading. So this could be a very interesting movement. We can see that many, asset managers and also cryptocurrency exchanges would like to do something in the favor of their customers to make their service more attractive. And then we have Elon Musk, who faces, it looks like, class action suit over mass Twitter layoffs. So guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to stay up to date in crypto and blockchain, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel Blockchain Bloom, because every single weekday I bring the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Check out the links under this video because there are many useful ones. And now it's time to look at the market, where we can see actually that Bitcoin is up almost 2% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is more than 2, so 2.5% up. That makes Ethereum $1,572. Why Bitcoin 20,512 at the moment. When we're looking at the top gainers, OKB up 24%. Then we have, which one is the next one? Actually, Loopring is 38. And on the third place, Polygon, Matic is going up. And then we have the losers. The leader is Airwave, down at 9%, Dogecoin 8%, and Chain almost 4%. When we're looking at Bitcoin's price, Bitcoin is still holding itself just where we were like even a couple of days before. So around 20,500-ish. We went a little bit up and down. Look, we are actually glued to this line pretty much, and yes, we will see which direction it will move. But now so far so good, not dropping significantly, holding quite well. When we're actually looking at the where is that stock market, on the other end, look, stock market, it's behaving worse when we're looking at the S&P 500. So compared to that, Bitcoin is doing better right now. And look what we had last week here. Last week, basically, the largest short liquidation event in the history for Bitcoin and Ethereum, with more than 1.6 billion in shorts positions closing. And this is a sign that people who believe that we can just go down and we are in the bear market and it's just go further down and down, and they short the market, they can be wrong, and it's very, very dangerous. And this is because they use leverage, and because of the leverage positions, so that's a really, really, really crazy. I mean, hang on, let me fix this one here. So yes, we can see these numbers, and you should be really careful. I wouldn't advise anybody to use leverage trading, because that's very, very risky. And you can see when now the market it's changing and some different times are coming, then, well, absolute record. Look at this number. We haven't seen this before, what was just here last week. Okay, let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about Coinbase, which revenue went down significantly in the last quarter, I mean in the third quarter. The results came out, now for many companies about the third quarter, and a crypto-related company, Coinbase, is also suffering, to be honest with you, because let me share the screen. We can see that their revenue is down 28%, which means that in the last quarter, their revenue was $803 million compared to the third quarter, which is $576 million right now. Also, if we looking at the transaction revenue, and this is big part of this reason, this 28%, the transaction revenue fell 44% compared to the second quarter. So they have fewer exchange activities for sure. And if you just think about the competitors, the big one, the big guy, Binance is offering, free Bitcoin transaction fees. And it's a huge advantage. And somehow Coinbase is not doing it. And some other exchanges also going in this direction, but Coinbase haven't taken advantage of it. So it's very interesting where it will be in this kind of competition. Of course, they have done several major things which are important when we're looking at their image. For example, the company also highlighted that, recent deals with BlackRock and Google in its shareholders letter, suggesting that it's optimistic about institutional adoption. It claims that 25% of the top 100 hedge funds are Coinbase customers. So there are a lot of advantages, but still, when we're looking at the transaction volume, it's definitely down for Coinbase, and no question, their revenue has also suffered 28% down compared to just the last quarter. Okay, let's move on to the next topic. And the next topic is all about Fidelity, which offers actually for retail investors commission-free Bitcoin and ETH trading. So just what I mentioned for Coinbase, that they are not that flexible, not offering their customers great discounts, for instance, when it comes to trading. We have here now Fidelity, which will offer retail investors. So not just institutional investors we're talking about, but retail investors, commission-free Bitcoin and ETH trading. So the article is saying that Fidelity Investment is expanding retail access to commission-free cryptocurrency trading service, move designed to recognize growing mainstream interest in digital assets. The new service will give the retail investors the ability to buy and sell Bitcoin and Ether with minimal fees. Instead of a commission, Fidelity Crypto will incorporate 1% spread into every trade. In a financial market, the spread represents the difference between the buy and sell prices quoted for an asset. In that one, it will be 1%, but it will be commission-free. And they're saying that a meaningful portion of Fidelity customers are already interested in and own crypto. Again, so when it comes not just to retail, not just to institutional investors, but more importantly, Fidelity is big. It's massive. It's maybe the second biggest asset manager after BlackRock, and even now they opening up to retail investors, and the push is bigger and bigger and bigger. That institutions, people, you name it, are more and more interested to put some of their portfolio into cryptocurrency. Definitely the two big ones hold the less risk compared to the small ones, and this is Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we can just see this trend. This trend is growing, and these guys are opening up more and more for the crypto market. Okay, and the third topic is all about Elon Musk. We do know that he took over Twitter and started to fire people. And this is where he got now in trouble, or maybe will be in trouble. So when Elon Musk arrived to Twitter, he made it clear that he would like to have clear changes. And one of these changes, the massive one, was all about firing people. So Elon Musk faces class action suit over mass Twitter layoffs. By the way, Elon Musk previously won a similar class action lawsuit brought by Tesla employees, but now Twitter employees hitting him. So Twitter began mass layoffs. The company employees are launching a class action lawsuit against the new Twitter CEO, Elon Musk. According to the multiple sources, Musk started massive layoffs at Twitter on November the 4th, reducing the company workforce of 7,500 people. So the CEO was speculated to cut as much as 50% of Twitter staff, or about 305,000 people in numbers, just a few days after acquiring Twitter for $44 billion on the 27th of October. So the suit argues that Twitter is violating federal and California law by laying off employees without enough notice. The actions specifically refers to the Federal Work Adjustment and Retraining Notification Act, which restrict large companies from mounting mass layoffs without at least 60 days of advance notice. So we will see what it will happen now. Definitely Musk wants changes at Twitter, and this is part of it. He would like to have a new team, new leaders, new goals. But can he do this in this speed, or should give some notice? That's a good question. So we will see how this will play out. Obviously, it won't have a huge impact on Twitter because, you know, the company is going in the direction where it's going. But anyway, this is some news about Elon Musk. He's always in the news somehow recently. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single weekday, I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency blockchain news. Therefore, now it's weekend coming. I wish you an amazing weekend, but I'm back on Monday with the freshest. Have a good one. Bye-bye. And hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Cheers.